good morning. Another day, another dollar. I try to finish the work around the drainage, the walls, many things to do, don't go away. Yeah, we're leveling the floor here on the new entertaining area. So we put the dirt up there around the drainage. It's good. And we ran out of gas, so I need to go and get a new gas bottle. Because here, there's no free delivery for that. Not at all. So I need to go to the next municipality. So let's do that too. Yeah, just grab a few more rebars on the way. This is the entertaining area, guys. Hello. Okay, I've got gas again. Let's put that cover back. Screw in. No doors, just screwed in, because Bella will find a way to open those doors. Oh, she always the cartoon, she'll love it, and she'll learn a lot from it. Okay, I brought some food, so meat, chicken, in fact. So we're gonna have some chicken today, lunchtime. There's all this area up there at the back. Empty all that and clean up. Always something to do. We can consider the drain at the back completed. Some more calligraphy before lunch. Start to get a bit hungry. That's okay. And I'm still working on my amakan walls. I got 2 pieces ready here. So I'm gonna try to assemble now. Okay, they're all ready there to be installed. But we're not ready because that's the TV side. You have to take everything out. I need to reinforce the bottom like I did for the other walls. Big job. Just wait till Bella got to bed before we remove all this and the TV. Okay, lunchtime, baby. I think she understands. She ran up there. Just grab a chair. Smells nice. That's a beautiful, healthy chicken. And this is the kind of thing we eat all the time. Not the pasta, not the chicken sisig.
No.
There's the thing we eat maybe once a month, maybe twice a month. This is what we normally eat most of the time. gonna be a big job. Need to fix the amakan on the small portion there. Everything was coming off. Just doing that. These bits and pieces falling apart. I feel very cold air coming in. Looks like rain, I think. Some reinforcement. Yeah. And here. This is cut too long. It's touching the floor. Give it a trim. Okay, if you want to cut a amakan, this is what you need. Okay. Very easy. You can't cut with scissors or anything like that, or knives, too hard. This is the best. I just cut all the edges where they're too long. And I'm gonna have to cut around the power point as well. It's not cut properly. Okay, this is almost ready to be concreted. Too many ants? Bastard. Ants! Terrible. It was raining. Okay, the post holder finished, and the whole floor here is level. We need to do a couple of things I will show you tomorrow. Okay, that's it for today. See you tomorrow, don't go away. Hey, good morning. Another day, another dollar. Still a lot of work to do. We'll see how we go today. So don't go away. Okay, Gongon just came in. Kindly said to me he's not working here today. He needs to work on his house. He wants to finish the floor so they can sleep comfortably and live comfortably. That's okay. So this is not going to change much. Good morning, Lily. You're a good girl. Hello. Hello. Hello, Bella.
Papa. Hello po. Dito, Papa. No?
I need to work on that wall. But I'm bagged. I don't feel like doing anything. I'll take Bella to the pool a little bit later. I just fixed the PowerPoint. It looks terrible. I do as much as I can. I'd rather go swimming. I need to fix this disaster. So this is what I got. sure you agree this is much better. My love, you like it? It looks like this is coming this way. Hello. Hello. Okay, go play now. Go. Go play. Okay, this side is varnish. You can see the difference with non-varnish here. So you can now install the TV, I guess. This is no varnish, this side hasn't been varnished yet. I need to buy some more. Okay, put the varnish. Today's been a raining day, all day, still sprinkling, still raining. So I think I'm going to take the right decision to go and work on his house under the roof, because here I wouldn't have been able to do anything anyway. I didn't feel like doing much, neither. I feel very tired. So I just fixed a few of the amakan thing and varnish, and I will finish the wall tomorrow, as we need to put some horizontal pieces as well, which were not there. Then I ran out of varnish as well, so I don't know. We'll see how we go. But anyway, if he doesn't run tomorrow, plenty to do. In the meantime, I'll just have you rest. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this video. Until the next video, take care and God bless you all. Bye bye.